Gimbals can help you shoot beautiful images, but many of them are hundreds, even thousands of dollars or euros. If you're a filmmaker with very little budget, there are plenty of ways to stabilize your camera without spending a dime. And that's what we will show you today on this video. Wait, who is we? Bienvenue to my channel. If we're meeting for the first time, salut! My name is Celine, I'm a TV journalist and I'm here to talk about tech with you. So if you like high-tech reviews, tutorials and sometimes vlogs, you should consider subscribing. Today I'll be making this video with Zdenka.
Well, hello from the other side of the planet. That's right, from Canada, cold Canada. We have sunny here today too, but it's a little bit chilly. It's much chillier than where you are. My name is Zdenka, I work as a photographer, I'm a former model and a few other things.
We will be challenging each other in today's video. Our task is to create crispy, smooth footage without gimbal. You can watch my footage on my channel and Zdenka's footage on her channel, but before we get to the challenge, let us show you all tips and tricks to achieve just that. Pull your camera close to your chest, lock elbows in, and move your whole body while filming.
Use a strap on your camera, that way your pressure will be on the back of the neck and you can get those smooth panning shots from left to right and right to left. Two or three points of contact. Some people are holding their cameras in one hand. You should be really holding it in two. If you use a strap, bring it around your neck. That will create the third point of view. Also, if you are looking through the viewfinder, you can rest your camera on your face, on the forehead.
Use wider lens instead of telephoto. The wider the lens, the less shake.
Use image stabilized lens. Simply, if you have image stabilizer on your lens, don't turn it off for your video.
Use warp stabilizer in Adobe Premiere Pro to get rid of those shaky footage. If your camera has a built-in stabilizer, turn that option on. When you do a follow shot or a leading shot, walk like a ninja. Use slow motion to create smooth motion.
Use wheels if you have them. Skateboard, rollerblades, booster board, anything goes. Have your settings ready on the camera before you start rolling, because if you're gonna be touching the settings during the shoot, as soon as you let go of the camera with one hand, you will definitely create a shake. Free fall, make step forward or backwards just like as you are falling. That will create that specific moment of a smooth footage.
Now that you saw those tips which should help you in creating smooth footage without gimbal, let's test it out. you want to see Zdenka's footage, video links in the comment section down below. Zdenka, thank you so much for doing this. It's always a pleasure to challenge you. So now you tell me, what tips did you know already and which one was brand new to you? Let me know in the comment section down en dessous, below. If you enjoy my video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button just down again en dessous. And if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to my channel. I'm wishing you a lovely week and I will see you next Monday. Salut!